Hello. It is another Saturday for me. So that means it's another day to plan the meals and another day for me to figure out how I'm going to write on this so you guys can see. I know where I need the paper. I just need to, sort it out. Now I'm hoping you guys can see. I moved to a different room. It looks like you can see everything, so I'm hoping it's all right. Okay. Now this time I have a little sheet here of all the different meals because I was sitting down last night trying to figure this out. Because in the little column here I have everyone who's working and then, some of the things that are going on. Now, Friday is going to be a very easy one for me to figure out. It's going to be a boxed dinner night because all of us work. Everybody works. Oh wait, maybe not. Oh, because he works till 10 that night. Oh dear, see how that works? Oh, hold on. Actually, we're going to hold off on that just for a second. All right. Now for this night, because my husband has ball, we're going to do chicken thighs with salad and veggies. So in that way, that's a nice easy meal. This night we're going to do hamburgers. Oh, I spelled that wrong, don't even care. Yes, I do. Hamburgers and sausages that night. On Sunday, I'm going to do a roasted chicken. This is just because I'm home tomorrow. Roasted chicken. I know I'm going to do potatoes. I just don't know what ones yet. So we'll write down potatoes. Spelled that wrong. Potatoes and veggies. I'll have to sort the veggies out later because I know I have stuff in the fridge, but I also have stuff in the freezer. Monday. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just hit you guys. Okay, we're gonna do nachos. Oh, girl. See, I'm on that funky angle again. So we're gonna do nachos / tacos that night. That's a nice easy meal. And then, so I have hamburger helper left. What do I have left? I have hamburger helper and pork chops. Ugh. Okay, so I got my little list here. I have already done that one. I've done that one. I've done that one, and I've done that one. So I have pork chops, boxed dinner night, and so what do I got here? Hamburger helper. I think I'll do it this night. And this is a homemade one. So that one's used. So I just got boxed dinner night and pork chops. So I'll do the pork chops this night. Now things might change. It just depends on how I feel after this. Yeah, actually I think that's a good idea to put the pork chops with rice, because that's just how we do it. Pork chops, rice, veggies, and boxed dinner night. Because I have my massage therapy appointment that day, and it's later in the day. Sometimes I'm able to walk just fine afterwards. Other times I need, quite some time to get back on my feet from it. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. So we've got roasted chicken with veggies, with roasted chicken with potatoes and vegetables. I'm actually going to do a video on this because I was planning on doing a cook with me on Sunday, so we will cook this together. I'll probably do spatchcock chicken actually, because everybody liked it and it turned out really, really good. And then tacos and nachos, my husband will probably make this one. Chicken thighs, I'll be cooking that one. Hamburgers and sausages, my husband will probably be cooking that one because I work. Boxed dinner night, works out great for everybody, works out good for me. Hamburger helper that night. I might film that, we'll see how I feel about it. And then pork chops with vegetables and rice. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. Now some of these might end up by, being moved around or something, but this is pretty much it, because I think on the last menu I had sloppy joes written down for tonight, but we're just doing another make your own dinner night because that's just going to work out better for everybody in the long run. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Again, if there's anything here you want to see, leave a comment down below and I will try and remember and record it. Okay, so until next time, I will talk to everybody later. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.